Achoo!
Hey!
Oh, don't worry. That was only allergies.
Oh, all right. What?
It's only allergies, I told you.
Are you sure?
Yes, a sick cough sounds like this. A healthy allergy cough sounds like this.
Are you tired of people who sneeze and cough on you, and then they pretend it's all right because it's just allergies? Then do what I do. Buy some Preparation LH.
Preparation H?
No, Preparation LH. It's liquid herpes. 2 squirts and all will be forgiven.
Ah! Hey, what was that?
That was anti-allergy medicine.
I didn't feel anything.
You will.
I'm gonna cough, cough, cough.
I'm gonna spray, spray, spray.
I'm gonna sneeze, sneeze, sneeze.
I'm gonna send some germs your way. That's what it's all about.
I'm gonna cough, cough, cough.
I'm gonna spray, spray, spray.
I'm gonna sneeze, sneeze, sneeze.
I'm gonna send some germs your way.